Time now for the Sports 10 Spirit Award. We'll talk with the Vincennes Lincoln fans. They've been begging for the Sports 10 Spirit Award this season, Megan. They've been impressive.
They come out strong. I was there last week. They do a great job.
South Knox just as impressive in the same gym they may have lost, but not because of their student section. And you mentioned North Knox fans earlier. They've been good as well this season. Lots of cheering from them. Down at the Hatchet House, that place can get rocking. And the Washington fans and cheerleaders like the colors there.
It's bright, man.
I like that there. And then I know you'll love this, Megan.
Probably.
Sullivan fans here coming up. We go all roller coaster here. And then they finish it off with a dunk here coming up on a basketball goal. A Nerf
This is impressive.
basketball.
This has to take so much.
Watch, see the little basketball goal there?
I see
and then
it.
I love it here. Right. He comes
where we
running
going?
down. This is impressive
Where we
by
go?
Sullivan tonight.
This is a highlight. And this is
I love
Rick
it.
rallies.
Way to go, Sullivan. One of the best student cheers we've seen this season. I absolutely love it. Golden Arrows Nation. Now,